Why is the print on these labels so small? Whew, I can barely read that. Hey beauties, welcome back. It's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to the channel. Today it is time for my August favorites. Can you believe August is like on its way out? Like next weekend it'll be September, Labor Day. Like this is insane how fast this year is going. But I have some good things in my August favorites. I did pretty good with shopping my stash this month. I have a few new things that I purchased at the first of the month that I have absolutely been loving. So if you want to see what's in my August favorites, I hope that you'll keep watching. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lydia Marie. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the beauty family. And hi to those who keep coming back time after time. Y'all, we have hit 1,200 subscribers on this channel. Yay! I cannot believe that. My goal for this year was to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we have surpassed that, and we're just gonna keep going. This is so exciting. I'm so happy that y'all are here and joining me. Let's go ahead and get into this August favorites. First on my list today are the Peach and Lily Lazy Day All-in-One Moisture Pads. These are fantastic for the days that you're literally feeling lazy with your skincare, but they also are really great at toning and hydrating. These are all-in-one pads that have a toner and a moisturizer in them. You can just swipe them all over your face after you wash your face in the morning. In the morning, my skincare routine is quite simple. I literally do a gentle face wash or some micellar water, rub one of these all over my face, and that gives me the toning and hydration, skincare, what do you call it, vitamin C serum, and my sunscreen, and that's it. But these are really convenient, really perfect for just those days that you just want to do an all-in-one type of situation. I picked these up from Ulta when they had a promotion for points. Y'all know how I feel about doubling and tripling my points. I'm always going to do it, but they have been sold out for so long that when I had a chance to get them, I got them, and I really like them. When I run out of these would definitely be another repurchase. Next up is my Naturium. This is the Energizer body wash. I like this one after the what is it called, the Glow Getter body wash from Naturium. This is one that is formulated with mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is fantastic for neutralizing odor, which is what this one claims to do. It also has a nice cooling sensation, kind of like a nice eucalyptus spa like body wash. So I really enjoy this one. I'm almost down to half a bottle and I need to go and stock up. Now that Naturium is at Ulta again, this is another opportunity to get some points and get the body wash from there. It's also available at Target, but I really have been enjoying this body wash. This is like a good kind of refreshing in the morning, and it really does help with neutralizing odor. Y'all know, due to my perimenopause, I am a sweaty Betty spaghetti, honey, and I need something that's going to help me neutralize any sweaty odors anywhere on my body, and I have really been loving this. It has been helping a lot. Next up is some hair care. As you see, I have cut my hair. You guys know I cut my locks off a few months ago, but then I recently went and got a buzz cut, kind of like a tapered haircut. So I've really been liking my curls to pop, and I've really been enjoying the Pattern Beauty Curl Cream. I have used this before. I used it when it first came out, even when my hair was longer and in a big fro. I've always used this one to kind of twist up my hair and give it some moisture. But now with my hair short on top and my curls popping, this has really been helpful. I really enjoy this after I wash my hair and my hair is still damp. It really just gives me some nice moisturized, hydrated curls, and it smells really good. You can get a small size from Ulta, or you can get the bigger size, but for me, the small size lasts me a really long time. I've had this for a couple months and I barely scratched the surface. But to me, Pattern Beauty really is consistent with some good hair care products no matter what your hair type is, and I've really been enjoying this curl cream this month. I've been using a new mouthwash this month. I'm a Listerine girl, but my dentist suggested I use something that had a little bit less sugar and less alcohol content. So I've been using this TheraBreath mouthwash, and I got it from Target. The first thing I did was try the travel size, because y'all know I'm a try before I buy type of gal, and I like the one that had the fresh breath that's in the blue one, but I like this one a lot better. This is the anti-cavity oral rinse, and it's supposed to strengthen your teeth enamel, freshen your breath, what have have you. But what I like about it is it's not an overpowering type of mouthwash, meaning once I rinse my mouth, I don't taste that mouthwash taste like you normally do with some other brands. This one is really good. It just makes my mouth feel nice, clean, and it just really gets the job done, and my breath fresh as well. So I like this one a lot. Again, this is something that I picked up from Target, so check them out if you're in the mood. You should be in the mood, but if you're in the market for a new mouthwash. Moving on to fragrance, I recently tried the Philosophy Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere fragrance. This is my first Philosophy fragrance that I've ever tried, and I really like this in the evenings after a shower because it's so nice and soft, and it's just a nice pleasant scent. It is vanilla smelling, but to me the cashmere really stands out with this, so it gives it a nice cozy fall vibes. Now if I wear this in the day, I found that I have to layer up my my body care, like my body wash and then a nice lotion, and then apply it with this to make the scent last a little bit longer. But it's perfect if you're someone who likes fragrance or doesn't really like fragrance, I should say, but just wants to smell nice. I think these are really good. Like I said, this is my first time trying the Philosophy brand as far as fragrances go. I really like this one. It's really nice. The bottle is just the right size, so I don't feel like I'm wasting it if I didn't like it, but I do. This is actually really pretty. I think you can tell that I like this replica coffee break fragrance because it's empty. I finished it out this month. This is my second small bottle of the replica coffee break. For me, the coffee break is my favorite fragrance in the replica collection. It's warm, it's spicy, it smells really sweet though and feminine, but not overly sweet to where it's like a sickly. It's just so pretty. It's like a date night fragrance to me. It's very sexy, but I'm a warm and spicy type of gal. So I like me a nice little warm and spicy fragrance. I think since I went through this one so fast after I got a new bottle, that I'm going to splurge during the Sephora sale and get the full size bottle, because I know this is a fragrance that I'm going to get again and again. But again, this is the replica coffee break fragrance, and it has like the coffee accord notes. It has tonka bean, it has orange blossom, so it has that sweetness, kind of a citrusy, and then it dries down to such a nice smelling fragrance, and it lasts a really long time on me. So this is a definite repurchase. Moving on to makeup, the Sephora Reveal the Real Skin Tint. I have been enjoying wearing this. It is only $22. I have the shade 240p, and I think this is a really good option for those days when you don't want to wear foundation and you don't even want to look like you have on makeup. It's just a nice sheer lightweight coverage. It blends into my skin like a dream. I'm pretty sure I did the review on this 2 videos up. You might want to check the shorts, but of course I have it linked below. Like I said, I have the shade 240p, and P stands for peach, not pink like I thought. So I was able to swatch these in the store. I didn't even know this was something that Sephora had until I went to the grand opening of a Sephora here in Charlotte, and this was one of the first things I saw, and I swatched it. It was a perfect match for my summer color, but it wears so nice. It blends out beautifully, and again, very inexpensive. If you're looking for something now, go ahead and get it, but if you want to wait till the Sephora sale in November, you know it's going to be 30% off. I'm just saying. But this has been fantastic for these hot months. Next up is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I've been meaning to figure out or research, is this new to Estee Lauder or am I just now discovering it? Either way, I love this concealer. I have been wearing this out since I got it. I saw it again at Sephora during Sephora's grand opening sale of the store that I went to, or the grand opening, not a sale, of the store that I went to, and I swatched the color, and I have the color 4W. I swatched it and I was like, I'm gonna keep this on my radar. Lo and behold, I had some extra points to use at Ulta and I got it. I didn't have to pay for it because I just used my points, but I've been loving this concealer. It is full coverage, but it's hydrating, and it blends out as if it's not a full coverage concealer, as if it's serum based. I've been loving this, and I think if you pair this with the Estee Lauder foundation, you're going to get that full snatch classic beat that Estee Lauder gives. Really like this one. Next on my list is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I know when I did the original video and review of this, I said the wrong shade number, not the wrong shade name. The shade number is MD 2.6 and it's Huahine. So this is the shade that I wear in this one. Highly suggest going to the store to swatch NARS because their undertones are correct, but the shades, even though it says light to medium, it could be a little bit off. I've been loving this foundation. I have it on today and it's such a nice radiant finish. You guys know I have dry skin, so I'm always looking for something that gives me that nice radiant finish. The coverage is there. It is absolutely stunning. I think this retails for $52 and this is the foundation that I got for $2 because I used all my points at Ulta, but I love this foundation. I've been reaching for this and that Estee Lauder concealer all month long. Really good choice here. NARS really doesn't miss with their foundations, but finding your shade could be a little bit tricky to me, but I like this one a lot. I really do. Next up is a lipstick from Lancome that I got during National Lipstick Day, again from Ulta. I guess this is an Ulta type of video, but I got this one. This is their Dramatic Matte Lipstick in the shade 221, which is the shade Dramatized Nude. What I like about this, not just the sleek packaging, because you know it's Lancome, so they're always going to give us a package. It is a matte lipstick, but it goes on like a satin lipstick and it wears very comfortably, but the packaging is very cute. I like that you can just pop this top right here and you just, I love that. I love that. And this is what the shade looks like. Very nice warm nude shade. This is going to be perfect for fall. Today I paired it with a lip liner from MAC in the shade Cork, but I've been loving this lipstick from Lancome. I feel very classy, very grown up with a nice Lancome lipstick. I know how hard I went for the Lawless Forget the Filler lip plumping glosses. I would love them so much. I went back and got another shade, and this is in the shade Maple. I think it's Maple Sugar or Maple. Yeah, Maple Sugar. I went back and got another shade. I've almost done with the pink shade in Velvet. I've been loving that, but this Maple Sugar, honey, you know how I feel about a brown gloss. And look at that color. It is so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit on actually. I love the doe foot applicator, how it angles so you can kind of get right up in every crevice of your lips. But I've been loving this lip gloss, and again with the plumping, it doesn't feel like that harsh plumping sensation, just a nice little cooling sensation. Loved it so much I had to go back and get another one. I may pick up another one during the Sephora sale, but we'll see. I'm going through them pretty fast though, I gotta say. I'm not always the biggest fan of a liquid liner, especially not a black one. I like them, but I don't always love them because I think you're like expected to do graphic lines, and I don't really do that. I don't know how to really do that. But these NYX liners, the nude collection or the neutral collection that they released recently, I love these. These are the Epic pencils from NYX. They're $10 each. I got two shades, Little Toasty, which is a nice neutral brown, in the shade Marshmallow. I like Marshmallow. It's very fun and it just gives you a nice little brightness on your upper lid. I really like that one. I've been using Little Toasty in just about every eye look that I've done lately, and that's what Little Toasty looks like. Really cute neutral eyeliner pencils, and it's something different. It's not just a black or a brown. These are really fun. If you're into wing liners or graphic liners, anything like that, definitely suggest picking up these two from NYX. So that's all for my August favorites. I think I had a nice little variety this month. I'm really working on emptying out more products this month. If you head over to my Instagram or even my community tab here on YouTube, you'll see all the products that I emptied out for the month of August. So I'm doing pretty good using my products, shopping my stash, and all that good stuff. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw today, and join the beauty family so you don't miss a thing. I will be back here very soon. I feel like doing some tutorials for the month of September, and you know I'm going to show you my September makeup bag for the products that I'm picking out to use for the month of September. I did pretty good for August. My makeup bag, I used what was in my makeup bag this month, so yay me. Thanks for tuning in, you guys, and I'll see y'all back here for my next video real soon. Bye.